welcome back to my channel. This is Destined for Beauty. My name is Destiny. If this is your first time here, hey girl. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. This is a beauty video. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me on this pretty cranberry look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you are interested in this makeup look, girl, please continue to watch. All right, y'all, it's time to get into it. So I've done my brows already. Like, you already know the drill. Got a video on it. It's in the description box. I've already primed my face per usual. Your girl is working with very minimal time, but we're trying to be full glam, full beat in like the teensiest amount of time. I think my brows are like really good today. I cleaned them up a little bit before we started, so they're kind of popping, but you can see my skin is kind of got this cast on it. I use this LEWK Cosmetics, this mattifying primer on my face. It works really nice, so I do really enjoy that. But girl, we working with like the teensiest bit of time. I gotta hurry up. Story of my life. I'm never like able to get it together. I really need to be done in like 30-40 minutes. We're gonna see how this is about to go. I'm gonna just lay a color down on my lid first. So I'm gonna go into this Juvias Place, the Nubian palette. This guy, the greeny one. And I think I'm gonna just go in with this more orange tone here, just to do like a flush and to kind of set down the concealer that I had on there to prime. Okay, so you see how it gives it just a little tint. Nothing crazy, just a little something. I'm wearing black and denim today. So I've been kind of like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I kind of want to play off this color here in my hair. My lip is gonna kind of be like that, so I kind of want to play off that color as well, but not too matchy. But yeah, so then I think I want to take, I'm kind of thinking I want to go with like this color. Does this kind of match the hair? I'm thinking either this color, or I'm contemplating on this color here in the Saharan palette by Juvias Place. I don't know, we might play with a little bit of both of them and kind of see what gives us what we need, girl. First, I think I'm gonna just take the brown shade in that Nubian palette, this one here, the warmer one, and go in my crease with it, is what I think. So we got that down. Then we go back with that orange that we used and buff out. Can you see how it's kind of muddy, a little bit muddy? Just want to blend that. So go across those edges and blend that out with that same orange shade that we set the concealer with. Smooth, yep, way smoother. Before we put down the shimmer, I'm gonna take this tan, this color here. We're gonna see how good this does. I kind of don't want to use the tan now that I think about it. I'm gonna pop a little bit and see how it does. No, so we're not gonna do the tan. So I'm gonna go into the Warrior palette and do this light creamy color here and lay it down as like the base for the shimmer. You see that? Just to kind of carve out where the shimmer needs to lay. So now we got that on for the start of the show. I'm gonna take this reddish shimmery color. I'm actually gonna just rub it on my finger and go right on my lid. Yeah. Oh yeah, girl. I like to use my finger with these shimmers just because it just applies it more evenly to me. It makes it so much easier to blend it out. And I keep a makeup wipe to wipe my finger back off so I don't deposit any of that anywhere else on my face. But I think that's pretty nice. And I'm gonna go back with a different finger into the Saharan palette, and then this more burgundy pinky color. And I'm gonna go with my middle finger this time. See, it's more of like a bronzy, and kind of put it here on the outer edge. I want to give it a little depth, so I'm gonna go into this dark brown shade here, and this just the Nubian palette, and pop it on the outer corner. And it's okay, that's a little harsh, because we're gonna go back and blend it out, but you want to just kind of deposit it. Make sure you get it packed on there, because once we start to blend, it is going to go away rather quickly. So pack it on there. And I'm making it kind of like a little V shape. Then we're gonna go back with that same brush we were using with the orange shade. I'm gonna take some of that orange shade and kind of blend this very lightly right on the edge of it though. Don't put it like directly, can y'all see? Don't put it directly like this, like not directly on the shadow, just right on the edge. Really lightly, just to kind of feather it out, just like that. You see? Nice, smooth blend. That's what we want. I'm gonna take this same cream that we laid down for the, what do you call it? The shimmer, and put it on the brow bone. Gives it a good little pop. Is we need a cute little inner corner pop. So I'm gonna take this one out the Nubian palette, this shimmer here, and pop it in the inner corner. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go and pop on our lashes, and I'll be right back to finish the face. All right, y'all, so we got the lashes on. Lashes are good to go. Your girl's in a rush. I got like a couple minutes. I need to hurry up and do my complexion. So if you want to see how to do your lashes, check the description box. Got a whole video on it. You already know the drill. But I'm gonna speed through the rest of this, so just y'all can watch me do my complexion. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, finally, time for lips. So we're gonna take the tiniest bit that I have of this. I'm blind. Okay, we're gonna take pecan pie and line our lips. And now we're gonna go in with the lippie. So I'm gonna use another one of my Glam lippies in the color, girl, I can't see is what color. I can't see, but it's this pretty deep cranberry, Christmassy holiday type of a color. We're gonna put this on the lip. So period, okay, like, girl, period. And it's got this like satiny finish. It's got this metallic sheen to it. I didn't want to do too much else too. I'm gonna take this janky pencil y'all be seeing me use and go around the outer. I'm just gonna do the bottom just to soften it. The bottom of my lip just a little bit. Girl. This is a look. Okay, a whole look. It's so pretty. Love this for me. And I'm late. I need to hurry up because I'm late. Perfect news. So I need to go do my edges and get my life together and put my clothes on. But when we come back, we probably won't be sitting right here. But the makeup is done, girl. This pretty berry holiday looking inspired glam. It's like, it's everything, girl. Everything. Love it. Alright, so we'll be back, y'all. See y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, so I'm actually at my destination now because I'll be late and just don't know what to do with myself. But I made it to my destination and I have got myself together and got my clothes on. So I want to pop back in and show you guys what I'm wearing. I didn't get to show you my fragrance, but I'm wearing the Pitbull fragrance, the white one. It smells amazing. But as you can see, we got our edges together. The makeup still looks really great. I am carrying my Chanel bag. There is a mirror. There's a mirror here, so let me turn it around so you guys can see. Hold on. All right, y'all, so I am on my phone, but as you can see, I have on this pretty like satin top. I have on these mom jeans and then this cute little belt here. And then I'm wearing some, try to put my foot up, wearing some little black booties, if you can see. And then I have on this suede blazer. And then the back of my top, I can get it together. And then I have this like, it's like a cutout. So, super cute. Yeah. A little class and a little classy and a little bit casual. So nice mixture for your girl. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. I know it's a little bit unconventional with the ending here because I am in a rush, but I thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new, become a part of the D4B fam. And until next time, my loves, bye.